Good morning, students. Today we are going to do some grammar part. That is lesson number 7, the articles. Now you see, we are going to learn today about the articles. So first of all, let me inform you which words mostly comes in a article. Okay? So look at the picture first. Just 2 minutes I'll give you, and then I'll start the grammar article. Have you seen, students? Have you seen these images? Okay. So first let me inform you about some. We will go back and I'll give you some alphabetical informations. Okay. So in the alphabets, in our alphabet letters, as you know that some vowels are there, those are A, E, I, O, U. Total how many alphabets are there, you know? In those, 5. A, E, I, O, U. 5 are the vowels and 21 are the alphabetical letters, and those alphabet letters are called consonants. Okay? In our alphabets, 2 letters are divided. First one, the 5 letters, those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So these 5 letters are vowels, and rest other remaining 21 alphabet are called consonants. Understood? And in an article, here we have to move little bit in a base language, that is a singular word. Like in this picture, as before starting the grammar part articles, I said you look at the pictures carefully. The first one is a pencil, a giraffe, a river. Why we are using a letter A? Okay, because they are singular, and these the words which start with a consonant sound, that consonant sound, there before a word we have to use a article a. Okay, once again I will inform you. Okay, here as I said you, the letter article we are using before singular words that starts with a consonant sound. Consonants means if you just remove in alphabets 5 letters, the rest all 21 letters are consonants. Okay, so when we are going to use a letter article a before a singular word and which starts with a consonant sound. Look at here picture, a pencil. Here P is a consonant and a is a article. Same like in the second picture also, giraffe, G is a consonant and a is a article. So what we are using, and these are the single ones. Pencil is also single, giraffe single, and river is also single. अंडरस्टूड? जो वर्ड सिंगुलर है, जो वर्ड सिंगुलर है और वो कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके आगे आर्टिकल अ लगता है. कहाँ पे आर्टिकल अ लगता है? जो वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है उसके आगे आर्टिकल अ लगता है. एंड दैट टू अ सिंगुलर वर्ड, that to a singular word. Understood? Now, how to use article an? An कब use करता है? In our before classes also, I explain you this also represents the same, but instead of consonants, it starts with a vowel sound. How many vowels are there? 5. And before vowel sound, we are going to use article an. आप singular word है, it is okay, it is right, okay, but it starts with a vowel sound. 5 alphabets में 5 vowels हैं, that is A, E, I, O, U. ये word अगर वोवेल से स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके आगे हमको आर्टिकल एन लगाना पड़ता है. अंडरस्टूड? हियर व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू हिंदी आल्सो सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड thoroughly. Before a vowel sound, we have to apply article an. And before a consonant sound, the word which start with a consonant sound, there we have to use article a. Understood? And before words that start with a vowel sound, there we use the article an. Here some examples are also given. Some fill in the blanks are also given. Okay, so better I would like all of you to write these words, which article you are going to use in this. Okay, the first one is a horse. Why we are using here article a? Because it is a singular and it starts, this word starts with the consonant sound. Here eagle, here e, the word, sorry, the letter starting of this word starts with a vowel letter, that is e. So what we are going to use here? An. हम क्या यूज करते हैं? an. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वर्ड जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो वोवेल साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा. वोवेल साउंड से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स को, वर्ड से पहले हम आर्टिकल एन लगाते हैं. ओके, आया समझ में? हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ माउस, अ माउस. हियर अ or glass. Now why we are going, sorry, here we are to use an or glass, an, sorry. Okay, now why we are using an here? As here H represents for consonant sound, but some words those are silent words, so sound comes O or glass. We won't say hour, or. What we say? Or glass. So the sound comes with a O. O is an vowel. O is a vowel. So that's why here we are going to use an or glass. Don't be confused. Okay. Now in this picture also, these are some words that start with a H. Yes, we know, of course, H represents here a consonant sound, but then also we are using article an, because here H is silent. यहाँ H silent है, इसीलिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये साउंड क्या आ रहा है, R, O-U-R, R. तो H silent हो गया. So here we are going to use an R. An R. An honest person. Honest. Honest person नहीं बोलते. How we say honest person? Yes, it starts with a consonant H, but the sound after putting H silent, we are going to start the sound with O. So because of this reason, we have to use article an. Okay. Now here also a yoke, an old shoe, an open door. We say, because here an O is oval, an engine, an honor. Honor we won't say, an honor, an igloo, a child, an Indian. Why I am putting here an? Because A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are vowels. Okay. So here I also is an vowel. An uncle. An uncle. An ox. An island. A bench. Understood? These are the articles A and N. Understood, students? Okay. So I'll change the page. Here in this lesson, some more exercises are given. These are the short stories, and where we have to use the article a, an, and the in the blanks. So you have to read them aloud. Okay, look at the picture. Here short, very short 3 stories are given. Okay, look at the pictures carefully. I will read and I will inform you which article is used here to fill in the blanks. Okay, once there was a farmer. What we are going to use here? A farmer. Here F is a consonant sound, and here the farmer is single. So we are going to use here, once there was a farmer. He had a large field. He had a large field. Late one evening, he saw an. He saw an. Why I am using here an? Because the word here starts with O, and the O letter is vowel sound. A-E-I-O-U. So here, before vowels, we are going to use article an. So here, what we have to write? An old wolf in the corner of the field. Here you see why we are using in the. So when we are speaking, where to use the article the. Okay, before I didn't inform you, I informed where to use article a and article an, but I didn't inform you how to use article the. So here I will inform you. I was waiting for this story only, so that before story you will understand. Here article the we use when we are speaking about a particular person. Okay, as in the noun. Noun What is meant by noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Okay. Here the article is also used. Which one? Which article? The. Here the article the is used when we are speaking. When we are speaking about the particular person, if we are using or some place or animal or thing, there we have to use the. Now in this, the field. What is field? It is a thing. फील्ड एक थिंग है ना, उसकी खेती है, किसकी? फार्मर की. तो हम उस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. थिंग मतलब उसकी कोई चीज के बारे में. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज? द फील्ड. ओके, आपको समझ में आ गया द कहाँ लगाना है? जब हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं, प्लेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, या एनिमल के बारे में बात करते हैं, या थिंग के बारे में, कोई चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, देयर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द आर्टिकल द. Okay, so here before field, which article we are going to use? The. Okay, understood children? The field. A farmer was worried. What was he to do? Here the story ends. Okay, once again I will repeat. Okay, listen carefully students. Once there was a farmer. He had a large field. Late one evening, he saw an old wolf in one corner of the field. A farmer was worried. What he to do? Okay, now we will move to the next story. Jill was here. Second story. The name of this little girl is Jill. Okay, here you see here in this image you can see Jill and a tiny kitten. Do you know the meaning of kitten? Do you know the meaning of kitten? The baby of cat. The baby of cat is called kitten. Okay, so the baby of cat is called kitten. Understood? So here in this, Jill was what? Which article we are going to use here? Tell me students, as I explain you in the first, where to use a and where to use the and where to use an. Okay, so here students, now you just tell me which article we are going to use. Jack was, okay, no problem, write it. Jack was what we are going to use? A little girl of 7. Okay, one day she saw a tiny means small, kitten means baby of cat. Once again I will repeat. Jill was a little girl of 7. Means she is 7 years old. One day she saw a tiny kitten in the garden. Okay, in the garden, because here garden is a place outside her house. Outside her house. Okay, so the kitten was shivering, because now here we are talking about kitten. So what we are going to use here? The kitten was shivering. Jill took the kitten into the house. The house means place. She took the kitten into the house. Okay? So, this is about the article story number 2. I explain you. Once again, I will repeat. Jill was a little girl of 7 years old. One day, she saw a tiny kitten in the garden outside her house. The kitten was shivering. Jill took the kitten into the house. Okay? Shall we move to story number 3? Okay. There is a house, because a house near my building. It belongs to an officer. Officer means officer word starts with a vowel sound. It belongs to an officer who is retired. None of us likes to pass by the house. If we saw an officer in the garden, we feel very nervous. Okay? We feel very nervous. So this was about, there is, once again I will repeat, there is a house near my building. What you are going to write? There is a house near my building. It belongs to an officer who is retired. None of us likes to pass by the house. If we see the officer in the garden, we feel very nervous. Understood? I explain you where you have to use the article a, an, and the. Understood? So students, you just write which I explain you in your grammar book. Okay? By this way, I finished the grammar part, that is article. So students, if you are having any problem, you can put me the message. Okay? Thank you all of you. Once again, shall I actually repeat the same thing? This story, once there was a farmer. He had a large field. Late one evening, he saw an old wolf in the corner of the field. The farmer was worried. What was he to do? Understood? Jill was a little girl of 7. One day, she saw a tiny kitten in the garden outside her house. The kitten was shivering. Jill took the kitten into the house. Third one. There is a house near my building. It belongs to an officer who is retired. None of us likes to pass by the house. If we see the officer in the garden, we feel very nervous. These 3 stories I explain you and inform you the word, before a word, how to use article a, the, and an. Okay? So thank you students. Take care.